Okay, Kaylee. I'm only doing this because I promised I would. And you know, I told you I would have like soft boobs and like makeup up to here and well, I lied. Because I'm way too lazy for that. Okay, so yeah. And I'm putting all the videos from last night tomorrow. And I'll give you my password so you can use my account. And yeah. Okay. And I'm only doing this because I promised. If I didn't promise, then no. Because this is retarded. Okay, hold on. Let me figure it out. Oh, and you like my party decorations? Ah, Papa, no! No, not this one. No. I popped it! No! Oh, I'm magical! Try it again. Where is it? Where is it? No. Nope. No. What? What?
Good job. Put dishes away.
What?
Put them away out of the dishwasher so I can load it again. Let's go.
Wait, can I finish this video first?
No.
But
Get them dishes put away so I can load it up again.
why can't I do it after? It'll take me 5 minutes. I'll just do it after. I hate life.